Everybody, how's it going? Matt here. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the song Goodnight Irene, composed by Huddy William Ledbetter, or more commonly known by his stage name, Leadbelly. Leadbelly first recorded this song in the 1930s, later becoming one of the most popular American folk song standards from the 1950s onward. I'll be teaching you my arrangement of this song in the form of a chord melody, meaning the chords and the melody played at the same time. I'll play through it once, and then teach it to you piece by piece. I hope you find this useful. Okay, so let's begin. A couple of things off the bat. This song is in the key of E major, which is 4 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. It's in the time signature of 3/4, which is kind of like a waltz feel, meaning 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This song also has an A-B structure to it. In this case, it's chorus, verse, chorus, verse. This song also only has 3 chords: E major, B7 or B dominant 7, and A major. Let's begin. So there I'm playing an E major chord, putting my 4th finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, taking it off, and then switching to a B7 shape, which is where you bar your 1st finger over the 2nd fret, play the 2nd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string with your 3rd finger, 2nd fret 3rd string with your 1st finger, and then 4th fret 2nd string with your 4th finger. There I'm taking my regular B7 shape, taking my pinky off, and then contorting my 1st finger upward a bit, and letting the B open string ring out. So it sounds like this. Then I go to my 2nd B7 shape, just your basic open B7 shape. You take your 1st finger and put it on the 4th string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 4th finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. So there I'm playing the B7, taking my pinky up 2 frets to the G sharp, taking it back down, and then switching to the E chord. So that part sounds like this. So far we have this. And then it continues. So there I'm playing the E major chord, open, and then taking my 4th finger, placing it on the 4th fret of the 1st string again, taking it down to the 2nd fret of the 1st string, open, switching to an A major chord, except that in this case I'm just barring it with my first finger and playing the second fret of the first string, the F sharp, as the melody note. Playing open E, switching to the traditional A major shape, emphasizing the second fret of the second string, which is C sharp. So I'll play that A part for you again, that A major part. So far we have this. Then it switches to the B7 again. And back to the E. So it's B7, playing the open B, the second string, F sharp, which is the second fret of the first string, sliding your pinky finger up to the fourth fret, back down to second fret, and then open E. So here's the A section again, this time a bit slower and all the way through. Okay, let's move on to the B section. So the B section is pretty similar to the A section, except the melody varies a tiny bit. It starts off with the E chord again, and the melody note is played 3 times on the open E string. And then I'm playing this, that part. So there I'm just taking my pinky finger and playing the second fret of the first string, open E, and then second fret of the second string. And this is with the E chord. Then it moves on to the B7 shape again, the one I showed you earlier. So I'm just strumming bottom to top. Then I move on to this new shape. This is a B major shape. To play this shape, you're going to take your first finger, bar it across the first and second string. This is the 7th fret. And take your second finger, play the D sharp right here, which is the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th fret. Take your third finger and play the 9th fret. This is the B on the 4th string. So I'm playing 1, 2, 3 on the first string and doing a hammer on the second string to the 9th fret. Is a new shape. This is an E major chord. You're going to take your first finger, put it on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, second finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and third finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. Let's try that. still on an E chord, but I'm putting my pinky down on the 7th fret. So pinky down on the 7th fret. And then I'm taking my pinky off. I'm playing the G sharp, the 4th fret of the 1st string with my 1st finger. Let's play it together. So the next part is this E7 shape. You take your 1st finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, take your 3rd finger, put it on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, take your middle finger, put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and take your pinky finger and put it on the 4th fret of the 1st string. So here I'm playing the E7 chord, bottom to top. And then lifting up my pinky and putting my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and then playing the open E string. Let's play that whole part together. Again. So here I'm going back to that standard A major chord shape, strumming bottom to top, starting on the E, the A, So I'm playing that A, strumming bottom to top, going back to the 2nd fret, 2nd string, which is the C sharp, playing it again, going to a B7 shape, ending on the open B, then playing the 2nd fret of the 1st string, playing it 3 times, the F sharp, and sliding my pinky finger up to the 4th fret of the 1st string, playing it twice, sliding it back down, playing it once, and then ending on the open E. And we're home. Alright, let's go over the B section again one more time, a bit slower. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.